In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit the footer in GoDaddy Website Builder. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, open your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. Wait for the editor to load fully so you can access all of the page sections and settings. Once you are inside the editor, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is where you will find the footer section of your website. Click directly on the footer to open its editing options. In this area, you can update the footer content to match your current business details or branding. Edit the footer text as needed. This may include your business name, your copyright notice, or any contact details that appear there. If your footer contains links, review them carefully and update them if needed. You can change the link text, remove outdated links, or add the correct destination so visitors can navigate properly. If your footer includes social media icons, open those settings and add or update the social media links connected to each icon. Make sure each profile link points to the correct account. You can also look for layout or design settings within the footer editor. Depending on the options available in GoDaddy Website Builder, you may be able to adjust how the footer is arranged or how it appears on the page. Make any visual updates that help the footer match the rest of your website design. After you finish editing, review everything carefully inside the editor. Check the text, links, spacing, and overall appearance. Once it looks right, click Preview to see how the footer will appear on your live website. This step helps you confirm that the footer looks good on the page and that all updates are displaying correctly. If everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the footer changes live. Your updated footer will then be visible to anyone visiting your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.